Om Sri Manjunathay Nama, Om Sri Dhanvantaraya Nama. I am Dr. Shayani Datta, first year Panchakarma PG scholar at SDM Hasan. Today I will be demonstrating the Nasya Karma. According to Shushruta Chikisha, 40 number chapter 21 sloka, Oshada Oshada Siddhang Bas Nihang Nasikavdhan Diyate iti Nasya. Nasya Karma is a therapeutic measure where we administrated the sneha, sharas, churno, kat, etc. through the nostril. With for elimination the dosha which is situated into the siras. It planned for the urdhva jatagata rogas. It indicated in the Nasyakarma indicated in the all type of urdhva jatagata rogas like shirapata, danta pata, danta shula, shiro shulo, all kind of urdhva jatagata rogas we can administrated the Nasyakarma. Nasyakarma content indicated in the Sutika, Bala, Vidya, who administrated in the Anuvashan Basti and Niruva Basti, who administrated in the blood leading procedure, we cannot administrate it Nasya Karma of this paper. Equipment with water needed are collected and stored into the Nasya room. Mukha Abhanga Taila, Anu Taila, bowl, cotton pad to close the eyes and ear, Gokand for administrated the Nasya Karma and Patta for the Sedana. After that, we heated the Mukha Abhanga Taila and Abhanga should be done. First, place the patient supine posture on the Abhanga table. Administrator stand at the head end of the table, facing the foot end to carry out the Abhanga and Sedana. After the heated the oil, we started the Abhanga in circular or anti-circular motion and press all the pressure point of the face. And Sedan should be done. Press all the pressure point of the head, maxillary area and cheek and below the nose also. We continue this Snehan procedure till 5 to 8 minutes. After the Abhyanga, Sedan can perform in three ways. Bashpa Seda, Nari Sweda and Patta Seda we also can perform. First we need to close the eye of the patient because for the eye, Sedan is contraindicated. And close the ear also. After that, we administrated the Pattu Seda. Pattu Seda done in the forehead, cheek, neck and back also. Sedana till continue 5 to 8 minutes. After that, we heated the Anudaila for administrated the Nasyakarma. Dose depend on the disease. The patient head is bent backward for about 45 degree, not much more 45 degree or not less than 45 degree. Then two hand places into the eyes, close the eyes, and one finger for use for the elevated the nose, and other side close and administrated the Nasyakarma. After the Nasyakarma, we massage the forehead, nose and chin and say to the patient what accumulated in the throat, expel out. After this procedure, expulsion of the all the thing, we give to the patient salt water for gargling and told to the patient take the water and spill out. After that Gandusha, we given the Dhumapana. Here we use the Snehik Dhumapan. We told to the patient close one side nostril and it inhale to the nose.